Lunga.
Stop doing the poking. I will never stop. Look at him. Look at him. I will not stop. You're getting on my nerves. I got to that part. Why are we stopping? Okay. I'm warning you. What does he sound like when he jump scares you? What if he doesn't jump scare? What if he say, "Ow, mama"?
Wala kong punsya ko. Katong 50,000 ni mama. Kaya 50. 1.5 man tayo.
No, not again.
Ano po ba? 1.5 ko lang.
No, I will never stop.
Sako.
No. Cannot. No, you have to keep looking at me. No.
Nak.
1.5 yung monthly kay kuya.
Oh no, he's going crazy.
Sa Kuan, Palawan.
Never ever stop.
1.5 akong manto.
Dihang yung
You hear that sound? It actually means he's actually getting angry and angrier. And getting more crazy. Never! That's my strings. I just saw that. Why is his eyes when he gets super mad looks like an ano? Looks like smiling critters.
Krudo kay mama po.
Ambot lang nila.
Smiling
Pero,
Wala ka nagpakrudo.
pag-aman ako pakululaan sa mama.
Oh!
Ay katong pagpato ninyo, wala ka nagkrudo na wala.
No.
O nagkrudo mo balik. Asa mo nagkrudo balik?
Dili sa kuwan
Dabaw
na.
na.
Kapit nagdabaw.
Why does he look like a zombie, by the way?
Pangit kay dalan sa kuan. Dato paglas. Paglampas ka tong
Yeah.
sa tulong.
Pecan!
Rumble ka to nagbulag ba? Gapo nagdalan no. Anto dito sa kuan.
What?
Kilala.
Huh? What?
Palto.
What?
Nakaalis
That
ako
happened.
last year.
What?
Nakaagit ko. Ako nakaagit ko
Ow.
diri sa bago pa.
Ano?
Ito mo sulod pa
Are you
ka kuan ba?
on?
Sa saging mo gawas.
This isn't normal.
Barangay saging.
Mga pangalan.
What happened then?
Oh. Katong lahi po to nga dalan.
I hate that.
Alhay po itong sakan ng palengke gawas.
See, I got
Alhay po na ko rin
80%.
sa barangay saging bagupon.
Doon sa sentro sa Mlangang.
Talaga?
Ang
But
musikan.
I hate it.
Ay
Ito
di
mo
ka.
nangagi. Bilang mo nangagi. Ito dyan, bilang matalam.
I died there.
Patunga sa Mlang pag umagpatala.
Oh God.
Diba after
Bypass.
kuwan, after tulunan.
I'm gonna say my name instead.
Bagian?
Dili.
Ay,
Dato
katong-
paglas tong battery kayo.
Katong giagian na to.
Dato paglas.
Oh, ito gas.
The
Plus, dahil ito
the papa.
Pag human na to, ano to sa tulunan na.
Wapo naman to, tong after sun.
Nag-glitch.
Napad na pa dyan kayo.
Pag ganit ng mga bagong dalan.
Oh, look at that. Sorry, this.
Ako guys, mamaya to.
Oh, pahulay na.
Yay!
Lingkod-lingkod lang sa
Oh, no, I got it.
Nga,
Ako na nag-order ako nagluto.
nag-order mo,
I'll
nag-order
give
ko
you.
lang.
Okay. Let me help you. No.
Nanglian si
No.
Siya, after, nang, mga,
I love
sa
doing
pagka-
this.
Adlaw sa wala, gitalintura niya. Gibalikan na po ito gabi eh.
wala po siya na pa.
Hi.
Pa-check up, oy. Balik-balikan ng kalintura niya.
Oh, isa po.
Ay, parehas yung
Si
ate.
iPhone.
Hmm.
Ako na si iPhone.
Yeah.
O kung mga laking plano juice.
I will try that.
Ito ay magkakauna na pag buntis mo.
Oh.
Oh, what is this?
Kaya naman
Can I tap this for this whole time?
Ang wala.
Ah, it's cute. What? Oh yeah, Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash World. I know it. I'm just gonna play this. I keep dying. It's one loud one. And it goes. Oh no. One more? Can I help you? I keep saying, can I help you? I'm gonna go buy that cube after. I'm gonna play back on track. I thought you said back on track. That is based after that. I forgot! I forgot the name a minute ago. You can get the coin if you're able to. Yep, it's in the red path. And stop to get the coin there. Yeah, I just don't care. Okay. I got the coin a lot of times. Sometimes. Do you hate the coin? No, I don't hate coins. Oh yes, I forgot to stop. And then don't jump when you're at the coin because there's an invisible path. Ah man, I keep missing. I just don't like the game. Oh gosh, I hate Let's Go Bro. Me too. I have no shot. Yeah, because that's not Geometry Dash World. Not Geometry Dash World or Geometry Dash Normal.
Folder ka pa. Pero katulad tayo 50% lang. Basta murag ang pinakaano nila at that time.
Yay! I have it. What do you want?
Timing na na
Stop. What do you get there?
rice spoon.
Can you please stop touching this? I'm here with you, so I won't be scared.
Pero pila na po dyan.
I don't want anything, bro. I just want to tap. I'm gonna go like play.
70%.
Luckily, my
From
body
140.
is
Oh, 50% talaga siya. Stainless steel.
You are getting on my nerves.
Dish dryer with tray.
On your
245. Bamboo plate holder. Rodon bamboo plate holder. Ah, dili dito ano? Cup holder kay plate dito. Eh basta nikuha na tanong.
What did you just say? Can I help you? Oh, you keep saying, can I help you? Wait, I want to tell you. Look how many stars I got. How many stars do you got, by the way?
Kay para dito na si Liana kay dito na kami katulog. Kamo siyang ginaano. Malubanan.
Hey, we got a save.
Para mo ginaano na siya lang
One
siya.
thing I want to tell you. How many stars? You got 7, I got 11. 7, 11. Whoa, why does that count? A 7, 11 is like rhyming. I really want this. A glitch.